This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Pocophone F1 versus the OnePlus 6. Now both of these phones are quote-unquote budget devices. They both have the Snapdragon 845. The Poco F1, this one is the 6GB of RAM variant, and the OnePlus 6, this one has a whopping 8GB of RAM. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Poco F1. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. Messages. Woo! Camera. You guys are the judges. Clock on both phones. Man, so quick. Go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Chrome, let's go. Go to GSM Arena on this. Let's go. Both about the same. Scrolling through this, nice and smooth on both. Desktop version, let's go. And you guys are the judges. Pinch to zoom. Nice and butter. Leave that in the background. Calculator app. I don't know. Play Store. Maybe the OnePlus 6? Not sure. Slow down the video for me. Click on Wish. Mistouch on the right and leave that in the background. Amazon. I don't know, man. Really close. Click on this one and leave that in the background. eBay on both. Maybe the F1 on that. Click on this flashlight. Leave it on a page. Football app, let's go. And give this to the OP6. Baseball app. Way too close. Super Mario Run. Loading on both and give this to the OP6. Tap to begin. Leave that in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Berlin World Tour. Both are loading and give this to the F1. Tap to play. Leave that in the background. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Pirate Cove. Both are loading. Oh man, so close. Let's see which one is on top and give the slight edge to the OP6. Tap to play. Leave that in the background. Asphalt 9, let's go. I think the F1 is ahead. Let's find out right now. And whoo, OP6. Tap the play button and leave this in the background. Grand Theft Auto. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar and not sure. OP6 and give this to the OP6. Twitter, let's go. Thai, Instagram. OP6, Snapchat, OP6. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. So let's just see what happens right now. Instagram, good to go. Twitter, good to go. Grand Theft Auto, ready to play. Asphalt 9, ready to play. Temple Run, paused and ready to resume on both. Subway Surfers, ready to resume as well. Super Mario Run, good to go. Baseball, same place. NFL app. Ooh, I think a reload here on the left. eBay. And okay, both have to refresh the page. Amazon. There you go. Play Store. Same place. Calculator. same place. Browsing, same place as you can see. Clock on both, same place. Camera, there you go. Messages, both nice and fast. And the phone app, boom. So let me know in the comments what you thought about this matchup. Are you rocking the new Pocophone F1 by Xiaomi? This device coming in with pretty good specs. Snapdragon 845, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM at a very, very good price. Or are you on team OnePlus, rocking the OnePlus 6, OnePlus 5T, OnePlus 5, or even the OnePlus 3T. These phones also coming in with some pretty good specs at a very reasonable price as well. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.